While Rome may get the credit for being Italy's most historic city, Florence holds the flame for sheer, unadulterated Italian beauty. A walk down any cobblestone street will reveal astonishing piazzas and cathedrals, and the skyline dominating the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore is a cannot miss. Also a must-see? The museums and galleries packed to the rafters with some of the world's most exquisite and enduring art, not least Michelangelo's iconic David, poised beneath a specially designed portal to the heavens themselves. Florence is the capital of the Tuscany region and the province of Florence, and is considered the center of the European Renaissance and is therefore one of the most important, charming, and intellectual cities in Italy and even all of Europe. Florence has many places of historical interest and many interesting tales associated with the city. The Romans established Florence during the 1st century of their rule, and the city experienced sudden growth between the 12th and 16th centuries. The Medici family appears in the unique buildings, monuments, and landmarks found in Florence. All the buildings are still in excellent condition until now, and tourists from all over the world visit them, fascinated by their unique architectural heritage. Some parts of the city date back to the Middle Ages, but they are still preserved and almost unchanged. The city has the old streets that lead you directly towards the Arno River, and by crossing this river you will reach the new part of the city which is known as Oltano. There are a number of medieval bridges that enable you to cross the river, and one of these bridges is the Ponte Vecchio, or the Old Bridge. When you visit the Petit Palace, you will be amazed by a large and unique collection of artworks by the most famous medieval geniuses. There is also the Boboli Garden where you can spend the whole day there, or you can visit the Church of San Miniato at the top of the hill for a panoramic view of the city. Other places worth visiting include Piazza della Signoria, Palazzo Medici Riccardi, Palazzo Strozzi, Library of Riccardiana, Palazzo Roccioli, Palazzo di Avanzati, Palazzo Ascarazioni Generali, Palazzo Spinai Verone, Palazzo Antinori, Gallery of Modern Art, Basilica of Santa Maria Novella, and many more. Other places. The city has a number of great hotels, restaurants, and bars that offer fine dining, lodging and lodging facilities. The city is also famous for its cuisine and recipes, which are often meat-based. The city is famous for its rustic food. Among the most prominent dishes that the city offers are pate, which is prepared from chicken livers, steaks, several types of soups, beef from the Italian breed, cagnina, and Parmesan cheese, among others. This was the most important information about the city of Florence. Please like the video if you like it and subscribe to the channel to watch the next videos. Thank you for watching.